everyone, I'm Nardi Simpson. I'm a Uluru woman, northwest New South Wales, living on Gadigal land, and I'm really happy to be part of a beautiful project that's coming out of the Conservatorium of Music here. It's a choir project, a meeting of voices and a meeting of cultures. It's called Barayagal.
Blossoms all around, over plains of dust, men bring back the flowers to their home.
Hi, my name's Kevin Hunt. I'm part of the team of Barayagal. I play the piano and I've got the best seat in the house. I sit next to Nardi as we work on her songs, and we've got a few of them up now ready for you to sing with us. The concept of Barayagal is really interesting for the Conservatorium because it's providing a meeting place, and the Conservatorium sits on a very special land in Sydney that's traditionally a meeting place. So we're really looking forward to meeting all sorts of different people and each week getting to know different people, hearing different stories and singing our experiences through Nardi's song.
I was thinking about what can we do that signifies who we are, and I had a couple of songs that I thought would really suit a lot of people singing, and then wrote a song specifically for the people that we're going to sing with.
You gotta know who you are and where you're from. You gotta know all the sweetness and the damage done. You gotta know who you are and where you're from, for you know how far. You gotta know.
My name is Warren Roberts. I'm a proud Dungutty and Bundjalung man and the coordinator of the Barayagal Choir. We're trying to build a culturally safe space, not only for First Peoples to share their stories, but also for non-Indigenous people to be invited into that space, to have a unique conversation and also share together through stories, through song.
So if you're any mob in and around Sydney that feel like they really need to sing, they want to sing, they haven't done it for a long time, you just need to get it out, please come to the Conservatorium and sing with us. Lend us your strength and your spirit, and we'll cook up something deadly here on the shores of Gadigal. And if you're a student or staff at the university, we'd love to come and grab your hand and bring you in and see what we can sing about together.
For those who are interested in being part of this very unique experience, please contact me at yarnaustralia.com, Sydney University, or follow the links.